Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be sure to see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this with a full description of this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2020 Jeep Wrangler 4-door Unlimited Rubicon. We sent this out to Rocky Ridge and had the K2 package put on it, and man, this thing looks amazing. And guys, don't forget, we are one of the largest Rocky Ridge dealers in the country, and we ship nationwide. So no matter where you're at in the country, if you're looking at one of these Jeeps, we can put it in your driveway in very little time. Starting on the front, one of the major upgrades that Rocky Ridge has done is put a really nice, extremely heavy-duty front-end bumper on this. This is a solid steel front bumper with built-in fog lights in the bottom, as you can see there. It also has a really nice LED light bar located in the front bumper right here. Upgraded LED lighting throughout from the factory. Painted flares. 3.5-inch lift kit, guys. It really makes it stand up tall. And we had to dress it up with a really nice exclusive Rocky Ridge 20-inch rim wrapped in a 35-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss. This Baja Boss has plenty of tread to get you through the mud, but it's still really nice tire and still drives amazing down the road. Upgraded step-up bars. Full factory painted top. This is a 3-piece hard top and is painted from the factory. Upgraded rear bumper just like the front, solid steel again with nice accents along the side. Factory backup camera located right here, and a 5th tire and rim to match the other 4. Flowmaster exhaust tip blacked out. And all in all, just a really nice Jeep. This Jeep will get you in the mid-20s on fuel economy, so still going to get you decent gas mileage while driving down the road. Upgraded front hood, as you can see, with the nice slits in it. That's a factory option also. On the driver's door, we do have your locks are located right here, and also your side mirrors can be adjusted, their power also. With them LED lights up front, they are auto, so you can set it on the auto feature. And as you can see, it does have leather seating throughout with the red stitching. A nice Rubicon stitching in the back of it also. On the steering wheel on the left-hand side, these 4 buttons here are going to operate your instrument cluster, which is located right here in the center in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge. In that instrument cluster, you can look at a bunch of different stuff. You can set on your speedometer. It'll also show you vehicle information, whether it's tire pressure monitoring system, fluid levels, engine heat, transmission heat, engine coolant temperature, just a bunch of built-in stuff right there. You also have the off-road capability settings, your fuel economy settings, and your trip settings. It also is equipped with hands-free capability. Program your phone directly into this car. You no longer have to reach for your phone while driving down the road. You simply just answer the phone by hitting the phone button, carry on the conversation directly through the speaker system. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, we have all your cruise control settings located right here. And then on the back hand side, you have your volume settings where you can adjust the volume up and down. And then on the left hand side on the back, you also have the capability of adjusting your radio station that you're on. As far as the radio goes, it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM radio with a free subscription. Media capability where you can download media directly into this radio. And then you also have dual climate controls. So you can set the passenger on 78, for example, and then you could set the driver on 81, and you're running into just 2 separate zones, blowing out at 2 separate temperatures on 2 different parts of the vehicle. You can also sync them settings, and by hitting the sync button, the passenger side automatically goes to whatever the driver's side is set at. It also has an auto feature where you simply hit the auto button, and the temperature inside the cab will go to the desired temperature. Like for here, it's set at 77, and it'll maintain that interior cab temperature by increasing and decreasing the speed along with the airflow, the temperature of the airflow coming out of the vents. You also have heated seat setting on this. You have a high, medium, and low setting for the front driver and passenger, and also a heated steering wheel. And like I said, it does have the factory backup camera built into the radio. And like I said, you can pair your phone by doing so simply through the radio system. Underneath that, we have a second option here in the center for your climate control. So not only can you operate it through the radio, you can also operate it manually right here in the center. And you can also turn on your heated seats and your heated steering wheel with these buttons right here. On the outside, we have the volume button here, and then on the right hand side, you can change your radio station. 12-volt DC plug, power windows right here, and also media plugs down there also. Also, you have 4 auxiliary switches here. One of them is taken. It operates your front LED light bar in your front, in the front of the vehicle that was added by Rocky Ridge. And you also have your sway bar buttons located down there also. Cup holders in the center, a nice leather armrest right here with storage underneath, 2 separate compartments, a small one on top, and also a large one underneath that. Universal garage door openers on this vehicle. Up to 3 garage doors can be programmed directly into this. You no longer have to carry your garage door openers around with you. You simply program in and you're done. And like I said, guys, this is a 3-piece hardtop. So by making it a 3-piece hardtop, the front driver has one section right here that can be popped out, and also over here the front passenger side can be popped out also. These individual pieces weigh about 20 pounds a piece, so they're very capable of being done by yourself by simply flipping the switches or the levers here, and you can pop them directly out, and they can be stored in the back in the nice little carrying case that comes with you, which I'll show you also when we get back there. The back can be taken off too. It just takes up to 2 people to take it off. A little bit bigger, obviously a lot heavier, but definitely can be done with a couple bolts. Jeep floor mats throughout. Those are rubber floor mats. Very nice for easy cleaning. Leather seating in the rear, just like the front. It also has a center cup holders with center armrest. This vehicle also is equipped with child safety hooks, so you can tether directly into the vehicle for a car seat. Very nice safety feature when it comes to having car seats in the back. AC plug down there, and you also have your power windows located right here also. Plenty of storage in the back. You also do have an extra set of floor mats in the rear here, and inside this case right here, that is the case for your the front 2 pieces of your hardtop. They can be stored back here. They lay flat in this area back here, and then by putting it in that case, you're just assuring that they do not get scratched up, considering it is a full body paint hardtop. All in all, extremely nice vehicle, extremely hard vehicle to find, and we are one of the largest Rocky Ridge dealers in the country when it comes to stocking Rocky Ridge Jeeps and trucks also. Don't forget, guys, this has the K2 package on it. It's going to give you a 3.5-inch lift. It's going to give you 20-inch rims, aftermarket 35-inch Mickey Thompson tires, front and rear steel bumpers, LED front lighting, heated seats, touchscreen radio, just all the bells and whistles you're ever going to want in a Jeep. And it's located here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We are one of the largest Rocky Ridge dealers in the country, and we ship nationwide. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like us in here today, as soon as it hits the lot. If you want to see all the still pictures of this and a full description of everything that's on it, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com.